Pihono na yen concern fufuro emu a wono atwi ahya kase a de fango free mantam baako ekọ fufuro mu tanker drivers no rada no ye se wate atwa sanse kwane ahodo a efa so kọ bia ya wokofa eye fango ni free no entwa yie kura na wabọ mpanimfo abu wasum nuanti no womo ede wonka asafo agina agu ho na yamare bofo asa kopiem ho ho huru se mpanimfo huru bia kopiem ho nanso womo atwi tanker bi chi mo munim se mpanimfo abade nanso kopim so obehunu se contractor gina kwan so ya wo ye kwan no won tu shine ne entu di gina.
The strike is still ongoing. As you see, there's no tanker loading at any depot. The road is still not fixed, so we are waiting for the authorities to come so that we see how best they'll help us fix the road. But until then, we are not going to work.
As we speak, I mean, yesterday they poured some laterites there right after your protest.
Yes, we came today to see that some laterites were put on the road, but it's unfortunate. So all this can be done for 7 years now. Nothing been done until yesterday. And from investigation, it is the TDC who blocked their machine to do that portion of the road, and that's 1% of the main road. What we want them to do is only 1% of what they've done. So we are still waiting for them to come. Let's see much action on the road. Let's see what exactly they'll do before we call our people to go to work. We
are told that the Ministry of Roads and Highways will be coming here this morning. How far?
Yes, they've sent delegates to come to speak to us. So we are waiting to see what they have. So as we speak, we are giving them seats at our office. So we'll hear what they have for us, and we'll tell them what we also have for them, and we'll tell them what we need, and we'll see the way forward.
What we compare it to go to work is that we'll see the contractor on site working effectively. And we want assurance from the government that they are going to do the road and make it asphalt so that our depot will look attractive. It's very sad that when we load fuel, supply the entire nation, the road network are very bad. Are we waiting for accident or fatality to happen before our elders or our leaders will come and then solve the issue for us? No.
But today is day 2. There may be shortage at the fuel pumps and all that.
Yes, that's what we want. Because we want the government to see that, yeah, we are holding part of the nation. And therefore, if anytime we bring our petition to them, they need to consider it and work on it towards it. Because we are here to serve the country. But we will not continue to serve the country whereby people will be a victim.